We've got green flags at both ends, and here he goes. Cheer him on, folks. Adam Stanley from Waterloo with his Case IH 225 Puma. He's gonna spin her out right there. Give him a hand, folks. Can't tell from this angle, so we'll wait and see. We need the driver of anger management to make his way over to his tractor, please. The driver of anger management, they need your tractor moved. That is.
Well, maybe they just want.
And here he goes. Cheer him on, Massey fans. It's your only Massey in this class.
He's got a little.
You can see the front end starting to get a little bit light. All the weight is coming up the rails and putting a lot of weight on that pan, and we're going to stop him right there. We've got an 820 Vario, Fendt Vario, making his way on down the track. They're 207 horsepower tractor with approximately 175 horsepower. They're made in Marketdorf, Germany. And right there, he's spinning out at 211 feet 3 inches. Give him a hand there, folks. Paul Brubaker in his white one.
No.
What? He said he does this.
And now we're off. I'm running down the racetrack.
Alrighty, he's got her all wound up here, coming on down the track. The weights coming on. These tractors are made in Waterloo, Iowa. Produce about 150 horsepower on the PTO. And he's going to bounce her out right there. Give him a hand, folks. Steve Scarrett, 230 flags at both ends of the track. These tractors are rated at 170 PTO horsepower. They've got a 6-cylinder, 401 cubic inch engine. They're supposed to top out at 2,200 RPM. Gets under a bit of a hop and stops her right there at 240 feet. Okay, if we got a John Deere 8310, it could be Seats Volcana from Arthur. and an 8310. These tractors have about 205 PTO horsepower. Not quick enough on the stick. That weight box comes up in a big hurry. As you can see him shifting on. We should have Brock Weir from Rockwood and a John Deere 7920 coming up here next.
Not big enough. A little more. Come on, Rob.
There you have it. Give him a hand, folks. Brock Weir. 140 engine horsepower tractor, this Fendt 714 is. They've got a 347 cubic inch engine. A little bit smaller engine in this class, like some of the others. Slowly creeping there, and we're going to stop them right. If I have it all written down here correctly, this, I'm not sure who. Yes, it is Michelle Ray driving this tractor, the John Deere 7930. So cheer her on, ladies. Little different strategy walking the tires on down the track and coming down the left-hand side of the track where everyone's been going down the middle and down the other side. So there you have it. Give her hands, folks. Bringing up some RPM, and away he goes. These tractors are made in Waterloo, Iowa. They were made from 2007 to 2011. They have 140 PTO horsepower. A 414 cubic inch engine putting out about 2100 RPM. And right there he's going to bounce her out at 2. See if he can break a speed record coming on down the track. See how fast he can get here. Or we maybe have another tractor. This isn't Brian. This maybe is Arnold Bowman. This is Arnold. He was a winner 2 weeks ago up in Drayton. He was the winner in that class. And right there, we're going to hop him to 283 feet and ready to go. 283 feet is what he's going to need to beat to take top honors here tonight. And right there, we're going to run them right out of power, 237 feet 11. We very much appreciate their family's support and Laird Farms for the co-sponsorship of this event. We've got a John Deere 7820 coming down the track. These tractors have approximately 155 PTO horsepower, and we're going to run them out of power right there, 220. We've got two 926s registered here, and I have to wait and see who it is as it comes down the track, if this is Brian or Bass Altena. There's Brian. So you're not in a tractor. And give him a hand, folks.
They're going to start the horse racing pretty soon. Let's bring the grandkids around.
And we're going to shut them down right there. 184.
That's class 13.
Winding her out here, George Israel from West Montrose. And the 60-30 he calls Haas. And there you have it. Give it a hands, folks. Great.